Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ruby. I am filming my first sit down, I guess, video in New York since I moved. It is pretty late in the day. It's 6 o'clock. I've been waiting to film this video all week, but I've been crazy busy or really tired. But I'm filming it now. Anyway, so the sun's going down, the lighting's not that great. I look so pale. I don't know why. I honestly don't have that much energy. But today I am going to be filming and unboxing Amazon things that I ordered, obviously. I've been ordering a lot since I moved. There's just a bunch of things I don't have anymore because I'm not at home. But I thought I would unbox it all. I did a lot of Amazon shopping. I love Amazon. Everything's on Amazon, like truly. So I thought it'd be fun if I like unbox it all, but I have been like dying to open most of these because I've actually needed the things, but I've been waiting because I want to do an unbox. There's a few things I already took out. I bought an air fryer, which you'll probably see in a vlog, but I unboxed that, and I unboxed some like skin spot treatment that actually one of you guys recommended. Now it's gonna be pretty, now that I live here, it's gonna be a little harder to film indoors all the time because you can hear, obviously. But also just drinking this Olipop. Shout out to them, they sent me a case of their stuff. I'm just trying it for the first time right now. It's actually really good. This one is cherry vanilla. It just tastes like soda, but it's sparkling tonic. It's pretty sweet. Like it's like still has like 5 grams of sugar in it, but it's yummy. All right, I just can't wait any longer. If you guys are not already, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Check out my Depop. All the links will be down below. I will also link everything I show. I think I'll have Amazon links down below just in case. I don't know. I don't even know if you'll want any of this, but if you do, then that's down there for you. I'm so out of it. I feel like I should eat something before I film this. Low-key. Because I want energy. Okay, we're gonna make some avocado toast. This is gonna be a little vlog. Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. The lighting is even shittier over here. We're gonna make some avocado, little thingamajiggy avocado, baby avocado, on some rice cakes because I have zero energy right now, and I think it's because I've only had ice cream today. It's definitely why, actually. Okay, I changed the angle a little bit. I'm too lazy to get what is it called? Oh my god, I literally can't see. A cutting board or a plate, so we're just gonna really like wing it and smash this on there. Oh my god, I really hope this gives me energy because I'm not feeling it right now. I feel like I could go for a nap. Okay, this is actually so ratchet, but I don't really care. I think ratchet's part of my new lifestyle. I don't know, guys. Also, this knife is not good for this, but here we are. Give me energy. Okay, I just made a mess everywhere, but we'll clean it up later. All right, so I'm back on the floor. Honestly, I think the lighting's a little better now that the sun went down even more, but I'm gonna eat this really quickly before I start filming this video. This video is so all over the place and chaotic, and that's exactly how my life is gonna be like in New York. So cut me some slack. I'm trying, guys. I don't know why I'm so low energy right now. I do know why, because I have been getting no sleep, not eating enough, stressed. Avocado always gives me so much energy because I don't really know why, but it does. Like good energy too, like energy where like I feel like myself again, not like a slug. And I hate filming videos when I feel like a slug because they always turn out bad. Anyway, it's significantly darker. It's now almost 7, so let's get this rolling. I don't really know, like I said, follow me on Instagram. Everything will be linked down below. Now let's get started. Okay, let's do this side first again. I'm gonna have to try and not show my address for all these, but Okay, this is super boring. This is literally just facial toner. I don't have toner here, and I have been needing it, and I wanted to get the Paula's Choice one because my friend uses it and it's apparently really good, but it's like $50. This one's like 10, 12. So I was like, you know what, let's try this one out. So this one is the Witch Hazel Thayer's Rose Petal Toner. I've heard good things, but I've also heard bad things, so we'll see. Hopefully this works and gets rid of my blackheads. But that's the first thing I got from Amazon. This, I know what this is. I actually opened this. This one's fun. It is a zebra cowboy hat. Should I do a thumbnail with this? This is just to go on my wall. If you guys saw my room before, I had cowboy hats on my wall. I didn't bring them, so I ordered this one. I just wanted a fun one, so I got this zebra one, which I love. And then I got another one too. I don't know if it's in these packages. It probably is. Next, Amazon tape is always like next level. Like they have like string weaved into it. It's really crazy. Okay, this is my French press coffee maker. I was debating buying a whole ass nice coffee machine, but I was like, I'm not that, like, I don't drink like espresso regularly. I'm just drink like ground coffee, and I know how to use this really well. Like, this is what I've been using for the last like year. So I was just like, you know what, let's just do this. I don't mind doing the extra work to make coffee. So yeah, this makes a lot. It's just a silver. I actually had this at my old apartment. One of my roommates got it, and yeah, anyway, it's just the Mueller French press coffee maker. If I make coffee with this tomorrow morning, I'll show you guys in the vlog, but I definitely will make coffee with this tomorrow morning. So very excited about that. Now I can make coffee. Next, I have a feeling this is apple cider vinegar because I ordered it off Amazon. Yes, it is. I got 2 of the Bragg apple cider vinegars. I thought they were gonna be the big ones, but they're 2 small ones, but whatever. Fun haul. I don't know if this is like gonna be really boring for you guys to watch. I don't know if you care about what I get from Amazon, but I watched a bunch of these and I thought they were entertaining, but they were also buying like cool TikTok Amazon things. I'm buying like coffee maker, apple cider vinegar. I have quite a few ideas for videos I want to do here, but let me know what you guys want to see. Box. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Oh, first thing is a knife. So I got this Home Hero utility knife. It's just a very sleek cutting knife because I don't have one. It's cute and it's black, so hopefully that's great for the kitchen. And then I ordered this huge case of bubbly. Ugh. It looks like this. It's literally all just a bunch of carbonated water, flavored carbonated water. I just like to drink these throughout the day. It's kind of like Olipop, but these are like not as flavorful, I'm pretty sure. But excited. Lime, grapefruit, and mango. So this is a lot. I actually have so many drinks like this in my fridge right now. I don't know how I'm gonna fit them all. Oh, I don't know if I like these. Okay, so I ordered these fake roses because I wanted to do a cool like fake rose type situation on the wall. I wanted to hang them, but this orange is very bright. I thought they were gonna be not as bright as this, so I'm gonna have to see. I don't know. I wanted them to be like a dusty orange. Ooh, I don't know about this. I might have to go to like a craft store and try and find the color I want, but that's what I got. Kind of random. Yay! Okay, I ordered 2 pillows because I needed 2 more pillows. Just Utopia bedding, goose down pillows. I don't know, I just needed 2 pillows, so that's what I got. I didn't really like look too in depth. I usually just go with like what Amazon recommends me or what has the most reviews, and it's like not the most expensive. So awesome. They have to like inflate? I don't really know. It says do not open with sharp object. After removing from package, please shake vigorously for up to 5 minutes. Oh my god, it's already puffing up. Okay, we're gonna shake this vigorously. Alright, I got tired. Up to 5 minutes, so 30 seconds is okay, I think. Anyway, this is the pillow, and I have another one. What else did I get? Oh, I got this pack of nails because I'm going to obviously making a bag wall. This set of 3 cutting boards because I only have 1 here and it's plastic and it's pretty shit, so I wanted some cute wood ones, and I like how there's different sizes because I don't like using like a huge one all the time. Got this clothing rack, which I might just show you at the end because I don't want to take this out right now because then I'll have to make it this second. But I got a clothing rack. We'll deal with that later.
Baby, you get your way, nothing I can do.
Alright everyone, it's super dark, but this is the final product. Woo! It was really easy to build, so 3+, 5-star review. No idea how it's gonna hold, but it's got wheels, it rolls, you know, it does what it's supposed to do. I have no idea where I'm gonna put it, but just thought I would let you guys know that this is the rack. But yeah, kind of mason jar vibe cups, but I liked how they had lids, and I thought this would be good for like taking water as a water bottle or coffee. They're not too big, which I like. So yeah, but I can also store stuff in these, I guess, too. But I just like these for like drinks. More cups! Oh wait, this isn't a cup. Lol. So, jokes, this isn't a cup. This is actually a kettle because we all know I like my tea. Look how cute she is. I love her. She's adorable. It's called Mr. Coffee. Oh, I guess you can make why is it called Mr. Coffee? Whistling tea kettle. Oh my god, it's gonna whistle vibes. She's so cute. I love her. Only 2 more packages. This one's really light. I think this is the other cowboy hat. It must be. Yeah, it is. Oh, this one's so cute. I don't know where I should put them. I want one more, but I don't know what color. I think I want a white one, but I can't find it anywhere. Bruh. Taking down all these boxes is gonna be a nightmare. Okay, I got a purple one. It's like baby purple. It's for like a little kid. So yeah, it doesn't really fit grown up hat at all. Oh my god, maybe my head's just huge, but that's not gonna work. But I think it'll look good on the wall, which is really its only purpose. All right, now at this box that I already opened because the tripod that you're on right now actually was in this box, but I had to take it out because I needed it. I got this as like a little fruit bowl because right now I don't have anything, or like not even just fruit, but like keys, things like that. Because on my like island table, whatever, I have things thrown everywhere and I kind of want to keep it a little more organized. So I got this for the meantime. I don't love it, but I think it's still cute. It's like this like mesh little bowl situation. All right, moving on. Oh, these are the other cups I got. I got these cute Savor double wall espresso mugs. Okay, whatever. I don't drink espresso, but like I'll just have coffee in them. But I feel like these are the mugs everyone uses like on Instagram. Oh, these are so small. Oh, they're so tiny. They're literally tiny. This is not what I wanted. I just found a bug in this plastic bag. Ew. Alright, this kind of a fail. I mean, if you want espresso cups. Oh, this is just a bunch of black hangers. I don't even need, why did I get so many hangers? I literally don't need any of these. Oh wait, I do, for my clothing rack. That's why I got them. I'm doing good, guys, don't worry. I'm gonna thrive here. It's just gonna take me a little bit to get used to it. Okay, last box here is this one, which I don't know what's in it. Oh, this is kind of cool actually. So I saw someone get this. This is the only like fun thing I got. Well, I don't even know if it's fun because it's work related. It's basically like one of those things to hold your desk up, like above, not your desk, your laptop up, like that keeps it like above the desk so that you're not like hunched over. And I have a really bad hunchback. Corona. Just kidding. So I was like, I need this. So that's what's going on right now. Okay, cool. So like this is how it looks. And like imagine you're like that on your desk. And then your computer is like this, right? No. That's wrong, actually. Your computer will be like this, and then you don't have to hunch your back. You just survive. Hopefully it'll help me work better here. I have to like update you guys on the vlog. My work has been anything but productive this week. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of random, not that crazy. I mean, I don't know, this was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this. But make sure to stay tuned with the vlogs. I'm trying to vlog as much as I can. I'm not doing anything crazy for the next couple weeks, obviously. I just don't start school until, not that I'm going anywhere, school's online. But, you know, different schedule. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have an amazing day. I'm so excited to be here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys so much for being here and giving me love and support. Except for the haters out there. Unsubscribe, please. Yeah. You know what? This just shows you can do literally anything you set your mind to. And I believe in every single one of you. And I think if you want to do something crazy, don't discourage yourself. You just need to figure out how you can make it happen. I mean, look at me. So yeah, anyway, I need to clean all this shit up. Probably gonna eat some more avocado toast. So that's that. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next New York City video. Love you guys.